Welcome back to HK Auto Garage. Today, we have something truly unique, the 2026 Maserati Motorhome Truck. Starting with the exterior, the Maserati Motorhome Truck is a masterpiece of design. It features a bold front grille with the iconic Maserati Trident logo, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights for a futuristic look. The streamlined bodywork enhances aerodynamics, improving efficiency and stability at high speeds. The sides boast premium chrome accents, large panoramic windows, and retractable side steps for easy entry. The rear includes a smart tailgate with built-in storage and a deployable lounge setup. To top it all off, solar panels are integrated into the roof for sustainable energy. Moving inside, the interior is pure Italian luxury. The spacious cabin features high-quality leather upholstery with hand-stitched details, a customizable ambient lighting system, and real wood and carbon fiber accents. The lounge area has reclining Maserati-branded seats, a 55-inch 4K OLED TV, and a premium Sonus Faber surround sound system. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, a wine cooler, a smart refrigerator, and marble countertops. The dining area comfortably seats 4 and transforms into an additional sleeping space. The master bedroom is nothing short of a 5-star suite, featuring a king-size memory foam bed, a walk-in closet, and a panoramic roof window. The luxurious bathroom includes a rainfall shower, a digital smart mirror, and a high-tech self-cleaning toilet. Under the hood, the 2026 Maserati Motorhome Truck is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine, delivering an astonishing 700 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, this motorhome offers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. Maserati's signature adaptive air suspension ensures maximum comfort, while advanced driver assist features, such as semi-autonomous driving, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, make handling this luxury beast effortless. Pricing for the 2026 Maserati Motorhome Truck starts at around $450,000, with fully customized models exceeding $650,000. With its blend of Italian luxury, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance engineering, this motorhome is truly in a league of its own. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Maserati Motorhome Truck. Would you take this luxury RV on a cross-country adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HK Auto Garage for more exciting vehicle reviews. See you in the next one.